Hello everyone! I'm AYANA. Today, I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Press this button to create a new composition. You can also create a new composition by pressing Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Change the background. Click OK. Press this button and select the Type tool. You can also change the Type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Change font settings. Press numpad to select a layer. Press S to display only the scale. Press Shift plus shortcut to display multiple properties. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Move the indicator. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Press Shift plus Ctrl+C to quickly pre-compose a layer or a set of layers. Click OK. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Double-click to apply the effect. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Change the value of the property. Click this list box to change. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Change the value of the property. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Press delete. Press Ctrl plus 0 to show or hide the project panel. Press Ctrl plus I to import the file. Press the Home key to move the indicator to 0. Press spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.